Today we are making easy 4-ingredient peppermint bark. For this recipe you need chocolate almond bark or candy coating. Depending on where you buy it, it's called different things. You can also use a package of chocolate chips if you want. I like the candy coatings because they have this nice little container that I can just microwave and I don't have to dirty a bowl. Stir your candy coating to make sure that it's all melted. You're going to put 1 capful of peppermint extract. Stir it into your chocolate. Then you're going to pour your chocolate on your cookie sheet. Then you're going to spread it on your cookie sheet really thin. Then you're going to set this in the freezer and let it harden. While you're waiting for your chocolate to get hard, put your peppermint candies in a zip top bag and smash them. Then for your second layer, you're going to take your white chocolate or your white bark, stir in 1 capful of peppermint flavoring. Then you're going to pour for your next layer, spread it all around. Then take your crushed up peppermints, sprinkle them on top. Then put this in the freezer or let it set up until it's hardened. Then you're going to break it into pieces. And enjoy. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.